Hey, what's up, everybody? So this is we just finished New York session and just went live on Instagram. I'm going to be live for a second on here. And this is our daily roundup webinar. Thanks for hopping on. I appreciate you. And man, if I could put a title on this, what's up, everybody? Hopping on there. If I could put a title on this day today, I would call it The Desolation of the Dollar. So the dollar is getting its ass kicked across the board. All you have to do is look at the metals market, gold, silver. If you saw my video yesterday, and it just, oh man, I took profits on silver way too early, and it's killing me. But I'm just waiting for a dip here, because I know if we stay above this 1950 level, then we're headed to 30 bucks. So it's a long way. What's up, Axel? It's a long way to $30, that's for sure. So that being said, let me share my charts with you. For anybody that hops on Instagram, you can actually watch the charts on YouTube once I get that uploaded this afternoon. So that being said, I just wanted to go live for a minute to give you all a shout out. And man, NZD-USD, GBPUSD, EURUSD, everything is just crushing across the board. So if you're long the dollar, man, it's going to be a long, got some Portuguese people in the house. Yes. What's up? So it's going to be man, it does not look good. So let me put it that way. So let me get into sharing in the charts here. Anybody that wants to watch us on IG, it'll be uploaded not too long. What's up from Madeira Island? It won't be up. It'll be uploaded soon. So that being said, stay posted. Thanks for hopping on. I appreciate you, and adios. Okay, everybody. So just took care of that. And so let's get into business here. All I wanted to do to point out was this silver chart. I mean, this is one of the more bullish moves I've seen in quite some time. And just purely exactly what I said would happen. We were at this juncture point and we just crashed through there. So now I'm just hoping for a pullback. I'm just hoping for a pullback in the metals. I don't know if it's going to happen, man. But that being said, so let's take a look at Forex today. Our Forex pairs. First of all, let's look at the dollar index. And we're headed. This is the chart I shared in the weekly outlook video. We're headed lower here. We're headed to the 61.8% retracement, which comes in at 94. And as long as we keep breaking down, this looks like a good opportunity for some fanning trend lines here as well. So as long as we keep breaking down, you can expect all these pairs against the dollar to really shape up here. And this was a bit of a surprise, the price action and dollar Mexican peso on this weekly chart, but that goes back a while. Now, this is what I was looking at. Actually didn't even expect to have a look at this chart. I haven't looked at it in a while, but man, this looks like if the dollar weakness continues, we're breaking down. We're breaking down here. I love these setups when you can kind of make this triangle or quote unquote X marks the spot. And, it looks like we're breaking lower here. So dollar Mexican peso looks like a good opportunity. And of course, we want to measure our targets here with our Fibonacci's, and that really measures out nicely to the 61.8% retracement. So this is definitely something I'm going to be watching and probably trading on my own account. However you want to play this, it looks like an all-around great setup. So maybe if we get kind of a bit of a rally here in the dollar, which it looks like we're kind of pulling back some. If we go to the pound, it just depends what you look at. I'm not sure if some news regarding the pound broke, but this rally really got capped off here. We are in a signal trade in the VIP group. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Click the links below to get started. But this is going to this is going to be a great buying opportunity. So watching to buy dips here for sure in GBPUSD. Looking for some sort of price action like this. EURUSD, big breakout higher today. So, you know, we're above some serious old resistance now. So now what I'm looking for, man, I'm just looking for some dips against the dollar, right? So some temporary dollar strength. Maybe it'll happen in Asian session today. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. Man, we will see. But any type of opportunity to get in these, like, you know, looks like we're going much higher in the euro. So any dipping you should look at as a great buying opportunity. So really just pick your poison, I guess you would say. So this was this boxed off resistance that we had here. We've cleared it, and you know, we're pretty straight up and down here for Aussie. Now just go to NZD/USD. Same deal. Broken out here. So, you know, the breakout started. So like I said, just kind of maybe want to pick your poison. Where do you want to get in these pairs at, right? So, you know, we're approaching the 61.8% retracement for Kiwi, NZD/USD. So maybe that'll be a good, maybe we'll get a dip there. So, but that being said, all you got to do, don't fight what the Fed is doing right now. And what the Fed is really doing is devaluing the dollar, right? So, you know, there's no sense in fighting that. Dollar CAD looks pretty interesting. I actually bought this little bounce here because we're at this level of support, but, you know, and I just scalped it and got out. I don't know if we're going higher, but this looks like the only maybe potentially decent setup for the dollar, right? So dollar CAD doesn't look too, it looks like it could have some potential to bounce here. So dollar Swiss broke down out of the support here. So you know, I thought we were going to get more of a bounce here, but man, you know, especially today being turnaround Tuesday. Is it turnaround Tuesday? What day is today? Tuesday, yeah. Yeah. So, but complete breakdown of this level of support in dollar Swiss. So, dollar yen, we're at a pretty good level here of support. So, this is an area to watch. I mean, there's not really too much going on here, but you know, I'm not too eager to get long the dollar, right? Because look at this, we broke down out of a triangle, right? So the dollar's got some catching up to do if it really plans on surviving. And just to reiterate my point, you know, Aussie yen is a great barometer of risk and risk appetite, and you know, it's looking pretty bullish as well. So these yen pairs, I think, will be a good buying opportunity. Pound yen as well, I'm definitely watching pretty closely, and it looks like we got a bit of a dip today. So, well, kind of. Looks like a lot of indecision, really, but this is going to be a great buying opportunity if we get a move lower here with the pound. Shiba, sorry. So that being said, it's some, you know, I made some decent money today on cable GBPUSD, and now I think it's super important if you're out there to be patient and let the trades come to you right now, especially. You know, don't get too aggressive if you're buying dollars. you might be better off waiting to buy dips against the dollar. So, but that's going to take some patience, and being patient is one of the hardest parts about trading. So let this be a good time to practice that. And I hope you found this video helpful. And man, it's just getting started. Crazy what's happening in the metals market. We can look at gold real quick. And I mean, look at that, just complete parabolic breakout. So it'll be interesting to see how this rally ends. You know, I mean, man, but I'm definitely going to be looking to buy dips when it does. So that being said, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Click the link below to get started. I promise you, you will not be disappointed in my training, in our trading group. It's amazing. So many good traders in there right now. So shout out to everybody in the VIP group. And let's keep crushing it this week, everybody. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the VIP chat. All right, everybody. Peace.